within DAE. Meron po tayong circular, DepEd circular, as well as DILD circular, enjoining all government entities and schools to participate and cooperate in the annual staging this year, 22nd year of the PINYASAN Festival. Then, yung pong ating mga competition ay mabuti ngayon pa lang, may mga clarification, no? May mga paglilinaw, kasi mahalaga po, maganda naman lalo i-document po natin ngayon ang PINYASAN Festival. Kaalis lang po ng grupo ng Bicol University. Sila ay makakandak ng impact assessment ng PINYASAN Festival. So, alam natin na hindi lang ito for the PINYASAN. This coincide with the 431st Foundation Day of the Municipality of DAE and the DAE Town Fiesta in honor of St. John the Baptist. Join sa mga activities na gagawin natin. So for the corporate, meron po tayong mga sponsors sa PINYASAN. Kaya we are inviting everyone to participate. Alam naman natin na may mga level of participation. Presenter, for example, yung sponsor ng lahat ng event, yung pong may mileage na tinatawag. Kaya presenter, for example, will have to agree for a package of 1 million sponsorship package. Tapos yung iba, may mga level ng sponsorship, depende. But ang importante sa atin yung sponsorship. Kaya from May 15 to 30, hindi po natin i-allow muna yung mga tarpaulin, mga streamers, mga any campaign na mga businesses within the downtown area. Unless, otherwise, if you are joining the PINYASAN Festival. For example, may specific event, nakasali kayo, yan po pwede po. Pero kung wala, after the celebration na lang po, to give way to the corporate sponsors na siya naman tutulong para sa ating celebration. To give you an idea, 40% only of the budget, hindi, unahin mo dito, 40% of the budget comes from the appropriation of the local government and 60% comes from the corporate sponsors. Kaya bigyan naman po natin ng privilege yung mga corporate sponsors. Dancing in the float. Tapos may bago tayong contest, yung Pineapple Garden. Paano natin ito gagawin? Mamaya po. So yan, medyo na-improve naman po natin yung font ng festival, 22nd year, spearheaded by the local government of DAE in cooperation with the Camarines Norte Pineapple Festival Development Foundation, the provincial government of Camarines Norte, Department